ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of CCFIS, it gives me great pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to all of you and to say how grateful we are to all of you who have accepted our invitation to convene this International Cybersecurity Summit and Research Conference Hacker Cup India 2016. A huge round of applause for all of you who are going to be a part of this historic day. CCFIS is a research organization formed with the vision of our founder president, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, to free the world from cybercrime. The core belief behind CCFIS is that cybersecurity is a growing concern worldwide because of huge involvement of information technology in our personal life as well as in our business world. It is an opportune time to renew contacts, exchange ideas, and discuss problems of mutual interest with delegates ranging from senior government officials to high-level experts of international repute in cybersecurity domain. We believe that cybersecurity cannot be contained and outsourced to any one vendor. Due to the vast scope of cyber threats, it requires active engagement of all stakeholders. This conference with multi-stakeholder is an effort to improve the state of cybersecurity and cyber resiliency. Cybersecurity tends to focus on mitigating the likelihood of an attack, and cyber resiliency would focus on how to recover from a realized attack. It is an essential that major players and stakeholders cooperate in order to jointly secure cyberspace and develop cyber resiliency strategies to counter ever-multiplying criminal and terrorist threats. At the heart of cybersecurity, there is a painful asymmetry between attack and defense. It is easier and cheaper to attack a network than to defend it. And the truth is, this asymmetry is growing. A few years ago, mounting a sophisticated cyber attack meant having all the skills that each stage of the attack required, from gaining access to the network to designing and payload that will go into it. But in the past few years, online marketplace has developed, which means all the elements, yes, all the elements of an attack can now be bought and assembled from the computer of anyone with the money to pay for it. The barriers to entry are coming down, and so the task of defenders, my friends CIOs and CISOs, is becoming harder. All of this is reflected in the cyber breaches that we see reported with increasing frequency and increasing severity. CCFIS has an ambitious program to build the cyber skill our country needs, identifying young people with cyber talent, training them and giving them a diversity of routes into cyber careers. Training the next generation of coders is vital both for our country and our security. There is a paradigm shift from defense to offense. Security leaders are embracing the new mindset of offensive security. Yes, I mean it, offensive security. By taking an offensive approach to security, one can understand the hacker's perspective, gain visibility into exactly how vulnerable their organization is, and focus their resources on the things that matter. It is like your own automated red team. At CCFIS, though continuous research, we have built our own offensive cyber capability to ensure continuous validation of the organization's security posture. We also do simulation of breach methods backed by real security research to keep up with the evolving techniques developed by hackers. Clear, actionable data on how attack will occur and how to mitigate them. The conference today will review and anticipate multiple cybersecurity threats in order to gain a comprehensive understanding of main challenges, gather lessons learned and best practices, offer operational insight as well as strategic advice on the way ahead. Since the conference is a platform aimed at fostering dialogue amongst key security players, it is gratifying to note that it covers keynote sessions, panel discussions by eminent personalities from industry, government and academia interest. I wish every success of your deliberation and a very pleasant evening with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.